guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making homemade easy hummus. So let's begin. So I'm going to be adding a can of chickpeas. So we're just going to add these. Half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of paprika. 2 cloves of garlic. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now we're going to blend this together. As you can see, this is nicely blended in. I'm going to now drizzle over some olive oil. And sprinkle some paprika. So here we go, our finished homemade hummus. I hope you guys give it a try, and thanks guys for watching.